Hey there, runners, hikers, and van lifers. I'm Jonathan, and today we're checking out Conestee Nature Preserve in Greenville County, South Carolina. If you're looking for an easy, scenic hike or trail run near Greenville, this spot is a hidden gold mine. It's got beautiful wetlands, boardwalks, wildlife, and well maintained trails, perfect for a relaxed outdoor escape. Let's dive in. Conestee Nature Preserve is a 400-acre protected area just 15 minutes from downtown Greenville. It's a mix of forest, wetlands, and open meadows, all packed with a ton of biodiversity. Over 13 miles of trails weave through the preserve, some paved and some natural surface. That means whether you're a hiker, a trail runner, or just out for a casual stroll, you're going to find a route that works for you.
Right.
One of my favorite things about Conestee is the boardwalks and the observation decks. They take you right through the wetlands, giving you an up close look at the marsh and the wildlife. Speaking of wildlife, this place is a birdwatcher's paradise. Over 220 species have been spotted here. Expect to see herons, egrets, hawks, and even bald eagles. Deer, otters, and turtles also call this place home, so keep an eye open as you explore. If you're here for a run, the paved Swamp Rabbit Trail section is a great option for a smooth scenic jog. For a more natural feel, check out the South Bay Trail and Sparkleberry Connector. These are great trails for trail running or a peaceful hike. Want something super easy and family friendly? The Lake Conestee Loop is a flat and scenic 2-mile walk with lots of wildlife. Spring and fall are prime time at Conestee. In spring, everything's lush and wildflowers are popping up everywhere. In fall, you're going to get amazing foliage and a crisp, cool air, perfect for hiking and running. Summer can be hot though, and humid, but the shaded trails keep everything comfortable. Even though these trails are easy, always bring water, bug spray, and good shoes. If you're coming in the morning or evening, a light jacket is a good idea, especially near the wetlands. And if you love photography, definitely bring your camera. The wildlife and the scenery here are worth capturing. During your visit, you may be able to see a different kind of bird. This is the F-16 Fighting Falcon made by Lockheed Martin, right here in Greenville, South Carolina. And this, my friends, is the biggest red jelly mushroom I have ever seen. It's unreal. And when you feel it, it feels like gummy bears or gummy worms. If you've hung around me for very long, you know that my eye is always open to anything fungi, and this appears to be mycelium. And it seems like the slugs are loving it. So if you're in the Greenville area and you're looking for an easy, beautiful spot to hike or run, Conestee Nature Preserve is a definite must visit. If you'd like to have a helpful map for finding all the hidden spots, you can go to conesteepreserve.org. The map will show all the parking, observation decks, trails, and trailheads. There's a printable version and a mobile version too. You can literally spend hours here getting lost in all the different plants and wildlife. The maps on their site also show that there are some closed sections due to damage from Helene, but there's so much to see here even in spite of the closures. Have you ever been here before? Let me know your favorite trails in the comments. And if you love hiking, trail running, and van life content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss the next adventure. I'll see you on the next one.